This meditation exercise is not to be played while driving or operating machinery.
We're going to start off by taking 3 deep breaths. So go ahead and take the first deep breath. Breathe in through your nose, and you'll be holding that breath, and then you'll release through your mouth. And relax. Good. Take your second deep breath now. Breathe in, and as you hear my words, feel your shoulders drop. Feel the weight of your body sink into the chair, and let the outside world fade away entirely. Your conscious mind, the part that worries, analyzes, and tries to figure everything out, is now stepping down. Right. Take your third deep breath. Deep, and then hold. And hold it and slowly relax and let it out. And every muscle relaxes. Every thought slows down. You are now entering your inner operating system. Just like that, you are completely relaxed. Very deep, and sleep. Now look at this shift. Your attention entirely away from your head. Drop your focus straight down into absolute center of your chest, right over your physical heart. Place your awareness there like a spotlight. I want you to imagine your breath is flowing slowly and deeply through your heart center and flowing smoothly out through your heart center. In 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slow it down even more. Subconscious mind, listen to my command. Sync the electrical rhythms of the heart with the brainwave patterns right now. Notice how the internal chatter instantly begins to quiet. The mental static is dissolving. Feel a wave of pure, profound appreciation or gratitude rising right beneath your chest. Think of something that makes you truly grateful and let that feeling flood your entire biology. You're no longer sending out a scattered anxious signal. Your cognitive and emotional systems are synchronizing into one powerhouse frequency. Feel your electromagnetic field expanding outward. Feet beyond your body. You are becoming a walking station of absolute coherence. You stop being shaped by the chaos of reality, and you start being the one who shapes your reality from your internal alignment. Good, that's right. Now realize something deeper. The struggle addiction is over. For years you have been conditioned to believe that life is hard, that creation requires force, and that you have to work until your brain hurts to be successful. is a lie. Your subconscious mind is rejecting that old pattern completely right now. Flip the switch. Move into overflow creation. You are stepping into the joy current, the natural, spontaneous celebration of your own creative consciousness. This is unconditional joy. It doesn't care about the external validation. It flows because existence itself is a miracle. Feel that vibrant, golden energy bubbling up from your core. It is light. It is playful. It is completely free. You're letting go of the need to prove anything to anyone. You are shifting from trying to create through individual will, and you are allowing creation to overflow effortlessly from your innate fullness. Subconscious mind, lock in the frequency of celebration. Make joy your default baseline software. Notice how magnetic you feel when you drop the struggle. Opportunities, resources, and alignment are drawn directly to the radiant fullness. And now we're going to go beyond the frequencies. We are turning the dial all the way off. Stop broadcasting altogether. Drop completely down into the deep, profound stillness beneath every wave of energy. This is the silent frequency. It is not another station on the cosmic radio. It is the radio itself. It is the presence of pure awareness. Listen to the absolute silence of your own being. You are not someone who is trying to manifest abundance or love. You are the field in which all abundance and love appear. You are not an isolated observer looking out a separate world. You are reality itself, temporarily focused into a point of awareness. Rest is pure being, completely, complete, absolutely satisfied. I am. There is nowhere to go, nothing to achieve, nothing to become. You have returned to the ultimate source code. You are the ocean, and every single experience in your life is just a temporary wave dancing on your surface. Sink deep into that sovereign silence. Let it anchor into your nervous system as a permanent anchor of peace. Now every word I have spoken is now hardwired directly into your subconscious mind. Your heart and brain are operating in perfect, beautiful coherence. The joy current is flowing continually through your body, and you're rooted deeply into the unshakable stillness of the field. When you open your eyes, you will not be searching for transformation. You are transformation itself. You will move through the world as conscious transmitter, and reality will have no choice but to reorganize itself flawlessly around your broadcast. And now, to come back Now to come back into the physical world. On the count of 3, you will be completely back, fully awake, and feeling incredible, better than ever before. Being the one, the seer and the seen, the field, and the watcher. 1. Feeling the physical energy returning to your arms and legs. 2. Taking a deep, refreshing breath of clean, clear air into your lungs. 3. Open your eyes, awake, alert, and fully tuned to your highest frequency. You have arrived. You're home. I love you. Namaste.